In today's TrackGrip Technion tutorial, we're going to talk about deleting an operator profile. Just like with creating a profile, you need to have owner level or service level clearance on your xLogger computer in order to complete this tutorial. I'll also be completing this using a simulator in the office and the standard 8.4-inch screen and the navigator. If you've already upgraded to the 12-inch touchscreen, feel free to touch the appropriate area on your screen instead of using the navigator. Let's get started. On the main screen, you're going to select the 3 horizontal stacked lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. Hitting OK on your navigator opens up the main menu. Select the operator option. The top row of tabs on the operator screen shows you all of the available operator profiles currently on your xLogger system. Make sure that you highlight the operator that you wish to delete. Then on the information tab on the second row, you're going to head down to the Remove Operator button. Hitting OK on your navigator pops up this message that asks, do you really want to remove this operator? Hitting left or right on your navigator will select either yes or no. By selecting yes and hitting OK, you have now deleted the operator profile. Just as a side note, if you hit that Remove Operator button and this message pops up, it's because the profile you are trying to delete has been designated as a service level profile during the initial system setup. These profiles cannot be deleted because they allow technicians a backdoor into the system to fix things that go wrong. And that's how you delete an operator profile on the Technion xLogger computer. If there are any tutorials that you would like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, stay tuned because there are more on the way.